Rights Alert (HRA) and Observance Committee today marked the Anti-Repression Day 2020 at the Conference Hall of HRA office in Kwakaithil, Thiamlekai, Imphal. Anti-Repression Day commemorates the unforgettable incident wherein 12 women leaders of the state staged a nude protest in front of the Kangla Gate in Imphal city on this very day of 2004, condemning the inhuman killing of Thangjam Manorama by personnel of 17th Assam Rifles on July 10th the same year. In wake of the COVID-19 pandemic, the Ministry of Home Affairs has written to states, union territories to expedite the setting up of new anti-human trafficking units, AHTUs, and upgrade the infrastructure of existing ones to combat and prevent human trafficking. The AHTUs are an integrated task force to prevent and combat the menace of human trafficking. 46 new positive cases of COVID-19 have been reported in Manipur in the last 24 hours. With this, the total number of positive cases in the state stands at 1,672. The number of active cases in the state is 652, while the number of recoveries is 1,020. The recovery rate is 61%. Assam has witnessed a sharp spike in the number of coronavirus positive cases as well as fatalities. 10 people have succumbed to the COVID-19 in the state in the last 24 hours. According to the report, 6 people died of the deadly virus yesterday, while 4 others, including an associate professor of Guwahati Medical College Hospital, who died on Monday. The state COVID-19 death toll has now gone up to 46. The state COVID-19 tally has increased to 18,666. Continuous heavy rainfall in neighbouring Assam has inundated Kaziranga National Park and Popitra Wildlife Sanctuary, due to which many of the birds and animals, including the one-horned rhinos, have now taken shelter at nearby Korbi Hills. According to our Assam Bureau Chief, the Assam forest officials are now taking up rescue operations to save tigers from the flooded national park. Repair work on the road stretch from Pangai Bazar to Chingaril began today under the supervision of Waiton Gram Panchayat Pradhan Pukrambam Surbala, assisted by 4 local clubs of Waiton. The condition of the 4-kilometer-long road stretch has been in a bad condition for some time. Under the sponsorship of Eastern Zonal Cultural Centre, Kolkata, Government of India, the Information Cultural Affairs (ICA) Government of Tripura kick-started a 21-month-long training program on Manipuri dance costume design yesterday at Thaleswar Banka Bihari Mandap in Agartala, Tripura. The training program is organized under the Guru Shishya Parampara scheme. India registered a record single-day jump of 29,429 COVID-19 cases, pushing its tally to 9,36,181 today, while the death toll climbed to 24,309 with 582 new fatalities, according to media reports. The number of recoveries stand at 5,92,031, while there are 3,19,840 active cases of coronavirus infection presently in the country. Tripura government has decided to go for aggressive COVID-19 tests in the state. According to media reports, it has estimated that the government will do nearly 7,000 tests per day till August. The state cabinet has taken the decision to increase the number of tests. A day after Congress leader Sachin Pilot was sacked as Deputy Chief Minister, Speaker C.P. Joshi's office has issued notice to rebel MLAs seeking their reply by July 17th. The notice was learned to have been issued late yesterday. Congress Chief Whip Mahesh Joshi had petitioned Speaker C.P. Joshi for disqualification of rebel MLAs yesterday. The first COVID-19 vaccine tested in the US revved up people's immune systems just the way scientists had hoped, researchers reported yesterday, as the shots are poised to begin key final testing. As per media reports, the experimental vaccine, developed by Fauci's colleagues at the National Institutes of Health and Moderna Incorporation, will start its most important step around July 27th, a 30,000-people study to prove if the shots really are strong enough to protect against the coronavirus.